Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel that is Code to Career. In today's video, we will learn a DSA question that is middle of the linked list. In this question, given that single linked list and we have to return the node of the given list. As you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So middle is 3. That's why in our output you can see 3, 4, 5. From the middles, it is returning into the output. So to solve this, either firstly we have to calculate the number of nodes present into the given list, then we can calculate the middle, then after we will return into the output. And also mention that if there are two middle nodes, in that scenario we have to return the second middle, because in the question, in the example 2, you can see here the sixth node. Here two are middles, 3 and 4. So as in question given that we have to return the second middles. That's why in the output you can see 4, 5, 6. So if we calculate the nodes and then return the output, it will take two traversal. First traversal to calculate the number of nodes, and the second traversal is to print the output. So we can calculate in first traversal? Yes, we can do by the slow and fast pointer approach. So for that, do two, we will take two pointer. First is slow and the second is fast. So let me do it. So I'm taking slow and second is fast. What I will do, firstly, I will point at the head of the given linked list, and then after what I will do, I will move slow pointer by 1 and fast pointer by 2. Now, see what the reason behind that. For example, fast will reach at the end of the linked list. So what will happen po- uh, if fast reach at the end, then slow will cover the half of the given linked list. So is half means we have reached at the middle of the linked list. So slow will exactly point to the middle node. That's why we are moving slow by 1 and fast by 2. So at initial you can see slow and fast is pointing to 1. What I am doing, I'm moving by 1. So slow is now pointing to 2 and fast will move by 2. So now fast is pointing to 3. In the next iteration, what I am doing, fast I will move by 1. So now slow is pointing at 3 and fast is moving by 2. So now fast is pointing to 5. So as you can see, fast next is null, and fast is at the end of the given linked list. So in output we will return the slow. So slow will the middle of the linked list. So in this you can see the dry run. So in the first iteration, what we are doing, slow will point to the 1 and fast will pointing also 1. And in second iteration slow will point to 2 because we are moving by 1, and fast will point to 3. Okay, then in next iteration, that is second, slow will point to 3 and fast will at the 5. So in code we will check fast is not equals to null and fast next not equals to null. Till that we iterate. So here slow is pointing to the middle. So slow is at middle, that is 3. Okay. In the even length, if the given linked list has a even length, then in that scenario what happening, you can see into the dry run example 2. In the zeroth iteration, what we are doing, initially slow and fast is pointing at 1. Now in the next iteration, slow is by moving 1. So slow will point at 2 and fast is pointing by 2. So fast is pointing to 3. Now in next iteration, as slow is pointing to 2, in one move it will point to 3, right? And fast will point to 5 because it moving by 2. Now in the next iteration, what is happening? Fast will moving by 1, that is 4, and sorry, slow will moving by 1, that will point to 4, and fast will moving to point move by 2. So as previous it was pointing to 5, so if it will move 2, so it will point to null. So it will reach at the end. So that's why the middle is 4. So now coming to the code, here you can see slow and fast is pointing it to head. I'm checking if fast is not equals to null and fast next not equals to null. Till that I have taken a while loop. What I am doing in the loop, fast is moving by 1 and sorry, slow is moving by 1 and fast is moving by 2. So as I discussed, once the fast is reached to the end of the given linked list, so we will return the slow. So now run this code. You can see here both test cases has been passed. Now coming to the space and time complexity. In this code, you can see we are taking a while loop that is going till fast not become to null or fast next not become to null. So it will go till the given number of nodes. So we can say time complexity would be order of n. N is here the number of nodes given into the given linked list. Now coming to the space complexity, you can see here we are only using 2 pointers, slow and fast. So it will take order of one space complexity. So we can say time complexity is order of n and space complexity is order of 1. That's it for the today. In this video, you learn how we can find the middle of the given linked list by one iteration. Okay, and also see the dry run and the time complexity and the space complexity for this question. For before moving to the next video, I have one question for you. Which company you are preparing? Amazon, Microsoft, Google, or any other? Let me know in the comment because I genuinely read every comment and your answer help me create video that are most useful for you. If this explanation made the concept clear, please hit the like button. Your it really help me for making more videos. And if you are seriously about cracking coding interview, make sure subscribe because I'm uploading one daily DSA question every day. Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing, keep learning, and I will see you in the next video. Happy coding.